Hello folks, how you doing out there? This is Leonard coming back at you with another short update from my cannergrow business opportunity, which I've joined over a week ago, okay? So I'm just going to log into my back office and view an update on proceedings. So I'm just going to log in here, guys, and give me one moment. Email. Username. Run credentials. Let's go again. Hopefully we're right this time. Bingo, we're in. Okay, let's go. Back office. I'm up about 20 members in my team. Balance 80 euros, which is approximately $101 or something like that. $1.11 is equal to €1 at the moment, at the current rate, if my calculations are right. So guys, when my plant is, I have one plant in here, okay? It's growing at the moment in the greenhouse belonging to the company. So my first harvest dividends is going to end up here, okay? In a couple of months, okay? So that's no worries. That's no worries. We know that's under maintenance and growing like. So what else have I to show you over here? Okay, dashboard, plant. This is where you buy your plants, guys. Bitcoin acceptable. You can pay by crypto. Buy 1, 10, 25 or 50 plants depending on your budget. But it's best get at least one plant, guys, because if you don't get one plant, you're not going to be eligible for the matching bonus, in the compensation plan. So getting one plant is advisable. But let me tell you this, you don't have to buy a plant to earn commissions, okay? So you can actually earn commissions by sharing out your referral link, which is located here. This is your link. You can share out your link when you register. You can earn some commissions, okay? From your commissions, you can buy a plant. And that way you can get in the game if your funds are low. Alternatively, you can buy a plant over here under the plant tab. Now, this website is going to be updated soon, okay? There's going to be tutorials in here and training, which is going to be very helpful to new members who want to get their teeth in the game. So you got your marketing, you got your team, you got my team. The compensation plan is going to be changed as well, guys. Not only are we eligible to earn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we were talking to Niven on the Zoom the other night, and he said there's a possibility that we can earn on the 6th level. So that's an extra couple of euros for us, or dollars. So that's that bit of news. Let me see. Oh, when you're buying your plant, guys, you can pay via Bitcoin, okay? I got some more people asking me that over the last few days. You can pay via Bitcoin. You just click on your plant, click here, pops you over to the payment page, stick in the amount and your Bitcoin address, and you're good to go, okay? Also, there's other payment portals coming to the platform also. So you maybe can do a bank transfer and so forth. I think bank transfer is available at the moment, but I haven't used it. I simply use Bitcoin as it's faster. So that's the platform. Commissions are coming in. You can add me over here on Facebook. This is me, guys, Leonard Ben. Feel free to add me and we can have a chat. This is the owner's page. I'm actually talking to him all the time on Facebook. This is Levin Amweg. Feel free to add him on Facebook. He's very active. He'll be on Zoom calls every week. So keeping us updated on proceedings with the company, okay? So this is Levin. And this is me, Leonard Ben. Very transparent. So if you want to work with me in cannergrow, I'll leave a link below the video, guys, and you can join us on our journey with cannergrow. And this company is only going from strength to strength, okay? Especially with the new premises going to be opening up in Estonia and possibly the UK, you know. So the growing rooms that they have at the moment are absolutely full. If I can go over here to the Facebook page, all the plants were sold out, which is very promising indeed. So you might see the post over here on Facebook. If I go into their Canner Group International, our Facebook community group. So the Alpha room and the Bravo room, they were sold out, okay? Hopefully we catch a post over here. Cannergrow. The great combination, guys, cannabis and Bitcoin. Two emerging markets. So I'm just gonna see, can I see that post? This was the hangout from the other night. But anyway, guys, the greenhouses are full at the moment. So they're just going to open up a new room, which they're getting irrigated at the moment. So I thought I could see the post there. However, when I get it, I'll pull that up, okay? So if you want to register, guys, I'm going to leave a link below the video. As I said, you can earn by just sharing out your link, okay? And if you want to hop on the link below, okay? Let's get together. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next update. Very good morning, and thank you for watching once again and joining me on this journey with cannergrow.